In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MEDIAN and MEDIANX in Power BI, specifically focusing on these powerful DAX functions. The goal of this tutorial is to guide you through the process step by step so that you can easily begin implementing these functions for your data analysis needs. First things first, let's start by opening Power BI. If you already have it installed, go ahead and open the application. If not, I would recommend pausing the video, installing it, and then coming back once you're ready. With Power BI open, we're ready to dive into our task. Now, let's navigate to the Home tab. Here, you'll find the option to create a new measure. Measures in Power BI are used to aggregate data that you can use in your reports, so they play a crucial role in any analysis. Once you've found the New Measure button, click on it. This prompt will open a formula bar where you can start typing in your DAX code. Next up, let's focus on typing in the correct code. To calculate the median, type in the following code: median value + median table column. Make sure to replace table with the name of your actual table and column with the column you're interested in analyzing. This DAX function, median, calculates the middle value for the column within your dataset. Using the median can often provide a more accurate representation of the data than the mean, especially in datasets with outliers. After entering your code, press enter. This will create a new measure in your report with the median value of your selected column. You can now add this measure to any visuals or tables to see how the median value compares to other measures. We also have the MEDIANX function, which differs slightly in its implementation. MEDIANX is more flexible because it allows you to perform row-by-row calculations, especially when working with filtered data or complex expressions within your columns. To create a measure using MEDIANX, type median x value equals median x table column. Once again, make sure to adjust table and column to suit your needs. The importance of MEDIANX is in its ability to evaluate expressions for each row in the table, then calculate the median from those results. This is especially useful when dealing with calculated fields